What's up, traders? So for today we're going to do a 5-minute scalping strategy. We're going to backtest the strategy and we're going to see if this strategy is profitable. But before we jump in the video, I just want to say thanks for all the support that you guys give to the channel. We also have a Discord which you can join for free. In this Discord channel we provide free setups for potential trades. You can also ask us some questions regarding the trading, and yeah, we just have a nice community to help each other and lift each other up and level up our trading game. You're free to join our Discord channel. See you there. Let's go and dive right in the video, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so the strategy that we're gonna use and gonna backtest is the Mobo bands combined with, of course, an EMA 200. So first off, let's add those indicators. So first off, we're gonna go to the indicators and type in Mobo. So this is the Mobo bands from Madrid. We're gonna add this one. With this indicator, it gives clear buy and sell signals. We're gonna combine it with the EMA 200. So press in the EMA 200, so moving average exponential, and of course we're gonna make it a 200 EMA, so the length. So we're gonna adjust the length of this indicator. It's gonna be 200. I always like to prefer to make the line a bit thicker, so you clearly see if the price is under or above the EMA. Yeah, add the thickness, have a nice thick line. Alright, so with the small adjustments of the EMA 9 turning into an EMA 200 and adjusting the thickness of the line, now let's dive in how you actually trade this strategy. First off, I'm going to explain the long position, and afterwards I'm going to explain the short position. Let's dive right into the long position. Alright guys, this is a setup for a long position. So what we need before we can take a long position is the price always needs to be above the EMA 200. This is the golden rule. Above EMA 200 you only long, and below the EMA 200 you only short. So one of the key components is already in. The price is above the EMA 200. Now we need to wait for a buy signal. When the buy signal appears, we can take a long position. All right, always wait for that next candle. So what we do is we can take our long position on this level. So we're gonna take the long position. The risk reward that we're using is always 1.5, and the stop loss is gonna be below the last wick low. All right, 1.5. Now let's see how this strategy plays out for a long position. Afterwards, I'm going to explain the short position, and of course I'm going to backtest 100 times, so you're going to have the true win result. All right, let's see how this plays out. All right, so what we're seeing right now is that we are in a clear profit. It almost took this level, but yeah, it took a bit more time. No worries, the take profit got hit, so you would be in a nice profit. Now I'm going to explain the short position. Almost identical to the long position, but the only thing is you need to wait to have the price below the EMA 200, and we need to have a sell signal. Let's try and find a sell signal with the price below EMA 200 and see how it goes. Alright guys, so for now the price is below the EMA 200. I'm going to show you a short setup. Of course the two setups that I'm showing you were cherry picked, but this is just how we explain the short and long position. So what we're doing right now is we wait till the price is below the EMA 200. That's one key component that's already there, and we wait for the sell signal. All right, so always wait for that confirmation candle. This is where you take your short position. And what we previously stated, get like the wick low or the wick high as your stop loss, get 1.5, and just see how the setup plays out. All right, so what we're seeing right now is the price is way below our take profit, but that doesn't matter because we use a strategy and our risk reward is 1.5, so the target got hit and we're in a nice profit. This is in essence how you take a long and short position. For now I'm going to do the back testing 100 times and I'm going to show you the true results about this strategy and if this strategy is profitable. Alright guys, see you in a minute. I'm going to back test it. Alright guys, so the Mobo bands has landed in our scalping overview results. I've colored the Mobo bands orange so that you guys could clearly see where it stands. The Mobo bands traded was on the 5-minute time frame. The risk reward that we took was 1.5 as always. The trades that were taken were 100. The time it took to take these trades were 6 days. The most consecutive wins were 3 and the most consecutive losses was also 3. The win rate of this strategy was 54% and the swing high was the stop loss or of course the swing low. The GOA for this strategy is 3.14% and the GOA 1% stop loss was 36%. Overall, not the worst strategy, but I wouldn't really recommend it. For now, the best strategy to use is of course the Fibonacci 0.6%. Also take a look at our own indicator, the MUXI PSAR daily investment strategy, also a very good one. Besides that, this was the video for this week guys. See you in the next one. Cheers.